Yo, what is up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on the profile view history on TikTok. So this is a new feature on TikTok. So you might want to update your TikTok app to the latest version in order to get this feature. But if you have the feature, go ahead and open up
New
TikTok.
trending sound alert. Use this
So I'm
sound.
just going to turn down the volume here real quick so it doesn't disturb the video. So what we need to do now is we need to tap on our profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. That'll take us to our profile. Then you'll notice if you have the new feature, you have this little eye icon right over here. If you can see that at the top right hand corner. So if now I tap on that, if you haven't set it up already, it's going to ask you if you want to set up the profile views. So this says your profile viewers will appear here. Nothing appears on my page because it's not that active. But if you don't have the history on or you have it off for some reason, you need to toggle that on in order to have this profile view history. So what we need to do is we need to tap the little settings gear cog at the top right hand corner there, and then you'll notice the profile view history toggle. So you'll be able to see who viewed your profile within the last 30 days. If for some reason it is toggled down and gray like that, you're not going to be able to see your profile view history. So make sure it is green, and that's how you turn on the profile view history. Then you can go out of there and then you can go out, continue using TikTok as you would, and give it some time to gather the data to show your profile view history. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.